welcome back to my channel. Hope you have subscribed my channel. If you are not subscribed it yet, please subscribe it now. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest updates. Today we'll be doing DIY, do it yourself activity. Activity number 1 is scary hand. To scare your all friends. For this activity we need disposable glass, straw, clinical gloves. You can get it from local chemist shop. Now you have to make a hole over right here. Take someone's help. Make a hole like this. Now we need to put this straw in there like this. Take someone's help to do it. Now we need to put this glove on top of this glass like this. A scary monster handle ready. Now we have to put this glove inside the glass. Now it's time to blow. Hi friend, he's saying hi to you. Hi. To make it more scary, you can color it red and put the torch under it and blue. Hello. You can scare your friends with this. Try it yourself. Make sure somebody is with you to help. Now move on to activity number 2. For this activity we need a bottle. We need to cut it from the top and from the bottom. Take someone's help. I have taken my dad's help. Like this. From the top part and from the bottom part. Now we need to put this glove on top of this bottle. Like this. Take a bowl, fill water in it. The monster hand is ready to say hello to you. See, when I put this bottle inside the water, the monster hand gets up. When I take it out, it falls down. See, the monster hand is saying hello to you. Hope you have liked these activities. You can also do it at home, but make sure somebody is with you. Please like it and subscribe it. And don't forget to share. Keep sharing, guys. Keep sharing. I will be back with new videos.